I am Srishti Kumari and this is my group.
I am Achal Raj.
I am Mr. Kumari.
We read in class 7 of Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir. So, in our life we must have seen the struggle faced by blind people, and it is very difficult for them to reach their destination. And a lot of different difficult risks are involved when they need to travel. So, to avoid these risks, we have created a smart stick. A smart stick is a device used by many people who are blind or visually impaired. So, it primarily allows users to scan their surroundings for any obstacle or orientation marks.
Function of blind stick. The smart stick for the blind, as the name suggests, is a device for the visually impaired to guide the user for respective destination and avoid the colliding with the obstacles. It uses two ultrasonic sensors, HCSR04, to detect the depth below or the obstacles in between.
Parts of blind stick. There are three parts of blind stick: ultrasonic sensor, Arduino, and third buzzer. First is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor works by emitting sound waves at a frequency too high for humans to hear. It is also known as ultrasonic transducer. Second is Arduino. Arduino is an open source software and hardware company, project and user community that design and manufacture microcontroller kits for building digital devices. Third is buzzer. A buzzer or beeper is an audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electromechanical, and piped electrical. There are two wires in buzzer. Short wire is known as negative and long wire is known as positive. Thank you.
This is ultrasonic sensor and this is transmitter and receiver. We connect to the VCC of the ultrasonic sensor to the 5V of the Arduino, and trick of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the 13 pin digital of the Arduino. Echo of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the 13 pin digital of the Arduino. Buzzer positive wire connect of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the 7-pin digital, and buzzer negative of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the ground of the Arduino.
This is an Arduino. We connect some pins. After coding, we connect some pins to the ultrasonic sensor. First, we connect VCC of the ultrasonic sensor to the 5V of Arduino. Second, we connect ultrasonic sensor GND to the GND of Arduino. Third, we connect trick and echo pins of the ultrasonic sensor to the 13 pin digital of the Arduino.
This is buzzer. It have two wires. One is positive and short wire is negative. Short wire of buzzer is connected to the ground and the long wire, which is positive, is connected to the 7-number pin digital of Arduino. Thank you.
This is ultrasonic sensor and this is Arduino. VCC of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the 5V of the Arduino. Trick of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the 13-pin digital of the Arduino. Echo of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the 12-pin digital of the Arduino. GND of the ultrasonic sensor connect to the GND of the Arduino. If any object comes from the ultrasonic sensor to the transmitter and the transmitter give signal of the receiver and they create sound.